So these are all my toys I got. My dad bought it. Say hello, Dad.
Hi, Maple.
Not to me, to the kid who's watching this video.
Okay, hi.
Anyway, blah blah. Okay, so we're doing a tour. First, I'm gonna review this Pick Me Pop. So this is a Pick Me Pop. There's stickers they come with it and a character inside. This can really. So this, it's supposed to be inside here. Then you have to fix it to the Pick Me Pop like that, and then it gets stuff. This, it's a rainbow corn. It has a heart. It can change. That means this one likes boats. So what do you think it is? Comment down below, please. Okay. I'll tell you in another video what this is. Okay. It's actually a dog. I just told you, so of course you're gonna have the right comment. Okay. This is the rainbow corn's little baby. I'm gonna open it in the video. Cute. I'm not showing it to you only when the video starts. Oh, it already started. Okay. Yeah. This is another kind of Pick Me Pop. It smells good and it can flip over like that. Like that. I'm gonna fully flip it so you see. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's just like another car. So first it's rainbow. It smells the same. Then you have to flip it over to see what character. This is a cat. You can comment down below what you think it is. What will you name this if it's yours? Especially, I'll name it Beast because my brother, exactly, I do have a brother. His name is Kane, and he names cats Beast. So that's right. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to the toy review. First, I'm gonna start opening my mini Pick Me Pop. Oh, the cover doesn't smell. Sorry. Okay, anyway. Looks like I got a bear and a cocker spaniel, whatever. Let's see. Looks like I have a common. This is Alpha the bear here. It's a common. Let's see the cocker spaniel. Okay, let's see. It's not a rare. It's not a super set. It's not a common. It's not a rare. It's not an ultra rare. Maybe I skipped it. Whatever. Oh, there we go. It's a common with Alpha the bear. So there's Alpha the bear. This is hello, Alpha the cocker spaniel. Shut up, you guy. Okay, anyway. Yeah. And there it is, Fab the cocker spaniel. Watermelon scented, both of them. So there we go. These are both cute. And this is the baby. That's a bit scented, not too much. And it's not squishy or anything, but I like it. You can wear it as a bracelet. Like, let me show you. This doesn't even fit on me. Okay, like that. You can bring it everywhere on like a bracelet. Yeah, so these are Pick Me Pops. Don't forget. Just gonna get this off of me. What else did I get? Now I'm gonna go. I got this little notebook. Here. Oh, some fingernail stickers. I like these. What else? 2 messages. Let's open Fab the Cocker Spaniel's message first. What does it say? Excited? You're a totally wow. Okay. Let's open Alpha the bear's message now. Wait, it's the long way round. This is Alpha the bear's message. So let's see. You're a very cute. Get it? I get it already. Okay. Did you like the Pick Me Pop toy review? This is the collector's card. Yeah. click the subscribe button, turn location, give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, now we'll all do this rainbow course. So they can be all different kinds of them. They come in a big egg. Wait, I'll show you the big egg that this comes in. Wait for a second, I'm just coming back. Don't pause the video, my daddy, because he's doing the video. So. Okay, anyway. Bye-bye, I'm coming back. Where is it? There. Oh. No. Okay, I'm so silly. So this is the egg. The rainbow corn comes in. It's hard to get freezing. But anyway, let's try and squeeze this thing in. Hell yeah. Yeah, my darling. And now put the rainbow top. It's so cute. See, and its heart can change color. Look, it's white, yes? Close your eyes. Ta-da! Oh, why did you fall naughty? It's a dog, I know. It's really serious. It doesn't pull any love. But it's serious. It's a dog, and look. It looks like a bunny. With rainbow hair and a silver horn. Hello, I am. Shut up for a sec. Okay. These are her yellow wings. Flutter, flutter. Let's open her boo-boo corn. Turn this heart back. And why? Okay, like that. I'm so excited for this boo-boo corn. Whoa! Looks like I got... Wait, there's no collector's card in this. Okay, who cares? I don't know, just look at this cutie pie. Woof. Mwah, 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 mwah. Shut up, you guy. You're like your mama. Okay. Put the boo-boo corn back in. Now finally, and last of all, the other kind of technical. Why did you fall, Mr. Ugly? Okay, Mrs. Ugly. Okay. This, it can also smell like almost everything smells. The rainbow corn doesn't smell any kind of flavor, but anyway, yeah. This one smells kind of blueberry jam. Yeah? Hey, Mr. Dad, I'll take the camera. You please flip it. It's hard to flip it. So. Okay, now my dad's gonna flip it. Say, hello, Daddy!
Hello. This is yours.
What? Oh! So this is kind of a fluffy ball. The outside smells. Whoa, it's a ball. Oh, my darling! Okay. So this toy review is done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Give me a huge thumbs up.